Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, February 6th. Man, got a lot of moisture in the air. Actually, we have a little bit of drizzle coming down. I'm sure this will all dry up as soon as the sun comes out. Sunrise was at 7:14, so it is now a little bit past 7. All we can do at this point is just wipe the car down as best as we can. Take some extra towels with us. I was going to remove the T-tops, but I don't think that's going to happen right now. So all we can do right now, I'm going to clean the glass up, clean the windshield. I'm going to dust it off, give it a good rub down with some cleaner, some detailer. The car does have a ceramic coating on it, so the water will basically just beat off. So if we have to wipe it down when we get to the show, we'll do that. So let's go. Let me start working on this thing, and we'll get on the road here in a little bit. Gonna let her rip already.
Are you gonna do the autocross?
Probably later when it dries up a little bit.
Okay, cool. Well, if you want, then you can park right here next to the high rod.
Okay.
And this side is gonna be hot track.
Okay.
So just make sure you don't
get it.
We're good right now, but yeah.
Don't do what I just did.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you for coming out. My name is Brian, and this is the Coastal Bend Region Porsche Club. All right. So we kind of have a unique event today. On this side of the line and over there, we're having an autocross. Over here, we're having a cars and coffee, right? Which I think is a great, great thing to do. Gets everybody out here, everybody, lifestyle of cars, etc. However, you are at a moving event. You're at a moving car event. All right? That means you cannot enter that track over there.
See if we can get some video of this making some hits. This thing is neat. Looks like it was a Target top and they pop riveted a roof panel to it. Pretty bare bones, serious race interior. Wow. footage. We're gonna go home, clean up the cars, and get ready for maybe another video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.